Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you guys are having a great day. I did just finish editing this video. I'm gonna say I hope you guys take influence from this video, or this video inspires you to go outside, clean your car, and have some fun. I haven't done the exterior yet. I'll do an exterior video hopefully next week. I am trying to post at least once a week. It's just I have my job and a couple other responsibilities that I'm trying to meet, so it is a kind of a tough balance, but we'll try to get ahead, figure it out, and I'll start trying to post more. I'm trying to get more cars, more projects, and go from there. Like I said, I hope this video inspires you guys to go outside, clean your cars, and have fun with some friends. Boom. Oh, and stick around for inspirational speech or inspirational words at the end. Not really. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. What up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be cleaning the cars. Oh, yeah. You're gonna need a vacuum cleaner, a leather cleaner. Link in the description of this. But you can use any random brush, or just use your mom or dad's toothbrush. Stuff I got at AutoZone or Walmart. Good dashing glass, tough stuff, and some Windex. Yeah. Oh, and a rag. And I'm gonna use this with the tough stuff over there. I'll take some video before, show it real quick, and then show you guys the progress and show you guys after.
Lip gloss?
No, it's like glasses. Grab it. It's for you. I want to get electrocuted.
What the heck, bro?
Anyone need a pencil? So y'all, daybreak caught up to me. I got the vacuum done. That's about it. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's just the first hit. Work minimum wage all day tomorrow. So Sunday we'll be getting these cars done. But for you guys, it'll be right now. It's actually Monday now. The car in here, it's hot outside. I was gonna do it in the light, so it was more light, but it is hot in Florida right now. I'm gonna try to get it all knocked out today. I do work in a couple hours. So it's a little tight, but I will try to get everything done. So I will just get the seats done. That way y'all can see the results on the seats. I will do a second hand today, a deep clean, and hopefully get to my car as well. For the seats, I'm going to be using a brush, 2 brushes, one big one small, and a rag as well. Okay, and then I will give it a protectant with a sponge. I'm going to show you guys a before right now. This is the passenger. You can see some minor stuff, but really this car is beautiful for how old it is. This car is 23 years old. It looks brand new. It looks brand new. Little wear. Just a little bit of wear right here. But man, other than that, this thing is brand new. So when you spray this stuff, you don't want to spray it everywhere, have chemicals all over your car. Sometimes you want to spray it onto the rag and then sweep it on, but in this case, I'm just trying to show you guys. We'll hit it with the brush a little bit. Look at that. What's up in that little thing? Stuff we don't see. Again, second pass. Whoa. Another spot easy to miss. It's hard to see, but lift these seats up. Look right there. Right in between. All gunk right here. If you press down on the crevice, boom, look at that. You hit that with the brush here. I'll try to. Basically, you push it down and you kind of bring it over here. That's why there's dirt right here. Push it down and kind of take the brush and lightly just push it this way, sweep it this way. So you can see, you got all in there, brushed it out, vacuumed it up. You can also just, especially if you have a converter for your vacuum, you can press it down and kind of get a lot of it, just vacuuming it all up. Okay, we're done with the passenger seat. I'll be speeding through the rest of it, but I just wanted to go in detail on the passenger seat. That way you guys can see the crevices and this is clean. It wasn't perfect. I wasn't able to get that off, but more time. But yeah, another penny. The thing is right here, in between here. There's a bunch of crap. So now when you I'll try to brush up the corners into the metal section and put the vacuum in there and get that all out. This is all the crap in between the crevices right there. All that was not visible in between all these crevices. You just swept it up, boom, brushed it out, put it all in the middle right there, and we'll vacuum it up right now. And just go put this piggy bank. Give it a couple sprays. 1, 2, 3. And we'll hit the middle section. All this stuff is brand new, man. This car is brand new. Really taken care of. After on the cup holder, we got rid of that little spot right there. Brand new. Good. This streak right here was kind of greasy before I hit it, and I hit it with a dry pass, and it looks pretty good, and then everything else is pretty clean and it's not sticky. I felt it with the glow off, so I think that worked pretty good, especially for how cheap it is. Here you see how it is before. As you can see, it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of dark. It's kind of sticky too. There's probably something on there. See if we can get that off. Just gotta do the door panels, driver's side, steering wheel, center console misses all day, the shifter, and we're good. sparkling. Crevices are good, but the shine is back. Nice. Alright, here's the after on the door panels. As you can see, shiny. Oh. Pretty bad. Now, this could be some wear on it from the sun melting, but honestly, I don't know. I'm unsure. I don't think it is. It was really sticky. Now it's not as much. All that there. Stuff that we miss, that are usually missed and are easy to get. Do with anything. It can be Q-tips, it can be a brush, it can be anything. But hitting these little spots, these details, make the car look all the way better. The emergency, look at that. All these spots are what make the difference between an okay clean and a perfect clean. It's kind of hard to hold. I can't really show it because I gotta hold it and do it at the same time, but you would press it against this and just get in between all that junk right there. Just after you got most of it out. You got there, door panel, in between. Chairs, did a vacuum. I'll probably pass it again because I did it at the beginning and it's gotten some things. This is how many Q-tips were used. Details, in between matters. It all matters. That's what makes the difference. So we're installing the protectant. I can't do it both hands up. Just put a little bit on a sponge. Boom. Oh, we just hit it. Spread it as much as you can. I'd say about 1 drop for the back part and 1 drop for the bottom. Alright, y'all, this is the finished interior. As y'all can see, the protectant is still drying. It's clean evenly. We got in between crevices in there and there. Between these crevices. Between every crevice I could find. Seats are all the way back because I was detailing the front, but we hit all this with the protectant. We'll probably come at it a second time. Got right here, all this stuff. We got to do the body, but probably wait till we get the car done, which the goal is 1 or 2 months we have this car out, and we'll be going to car meets, going to have fun demonstrating, getting wheels, getting all types of stuff, and maybe another car soon. We'll see. I'll leave a link to everything we used. I don't know what the brushes are. They're somewhere laying around, but you can find brushes at local detailing stores. You can probably find that at local detailing stores or anything for leather. But that specific one will be linked down below. Hope this video inspires you guys to go outside, clean your cars, have fun, build a relationship with your car. We know you have no friends, so you know you got one right here in your car. I mean, you can just pay for the service and pay quite a bit of money to have it clean, or you could do it yourself. No one will clean it like yourself. No one. No one will treat it. No one will treat your car as you treat your car. And see, I want you guys to enjoy seeing the process of getting this car out. I'll try to give you guys some tips as far as the way I clean, or what my dad's doing under the engine bay, any problems we run into. All that. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you guys want more commentating or want more music, more voiceovers maybe as well, me explaining, or just music and showing the video, or more commentating. Whatever you guys want, leave in the comments down below. Whatever you guys prefer, I'll try to make it work too. Again, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy your day.